Okay, for today's tip, you are going to need either 2 tags that are identical, 2 different coloured tags, or you can just use 2 pieces of card. Make sure that they are the same size, width-wise, because we're going to tear one half down like so, just to create like a torn edge. It's meant to be rough, so don't tidy it too much. And then I'm going to glue it down. And then I'm going to stick this label directly over the top. Then what you're going to need to do is you're going to need a white pen for the brown and a black pen for the white section. Okay, once you've finished the black, then you move on to the white and you finish your flower off. What I am going to do is where these lines are pretty thin around these petals, I'm just going to go and do a nice thicker edge so it really defines the flowers from the stem. So there we have it. We have the white on the top and the black on the bottom. Now if I was to put this onto a card, like this, it looks so pretty, but just to take it up to the next level, I'm going to stick this down with a nice clump of glue there. And then what I'm going to do is I've got this beautiful hexagonal box that hand cream came in, ironically. And I really love it. You could just use a circle, you don't necessarily have to use a hexagonal, and I'm going to go directly over the top of where the flower sort of transitions into the brown paper. I'm going to hold it down and then I'm going to do the same thing. So I'm going to keep the black on the bottom, and okay, you're going over some of your design, but just trust me, go with it, it works. And then where it moves back into the brown paper, you just finish there, and that's when we're going to pick it up with the white pen. Pick up the white and just follow it all the way around. What a cool, funky little card. Now it would be a beautiful with sympathy card or a get well card. And you don't have to necessarily do it onto the tag first. You could just do it directly onto your card. Now I've upped it here. I was just playing around and I wanted to show you this. I've torn the paper directly onto it. I haven't done any dawdling of doodling even of flowers, but what I have done is I've used my embossing powders. So I've got my silver and my copper and done exactly the same thing but in reverse. So I'm going to add some flowers to that and finish that card off. But what a fabulous idea. I hope you've enjoyed it. It's nice and easy, and I look forward to seeing you next time.